If you're wondering how to track referrals on PartnerStack, you're in the right place. PartnerStack is a robust affiliate and partner management platform that makes it easy to manage and track referrals across multiple channels. Whether you're a business owner looking to optimize your referral program or an affiliate marketer trying to monitor your performance, knowing how to effectively track referrals is crucial. Stick around to learn the most efficient way to do it, and trust me, you'll be able to set it up in just a few minutes. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try PartnerStack completely for free using the link below, along with exclusive bonuses. It's a fantastic way to get your feet wet without any upfront costs. You'll want to stick around for a special tip I'll share later on about maximizing your trial. To start tracking referrals on PartnerStack, first, you'll need to log into your dashboard. The interface is pretty intuitive, but if you're new, it might take a second to get familiar with. Once you're in, you'll be able to access the referrals section on the main menu. This is where you'll get all the key information about your referral activity. In this section, you can easily track new, active, and closed referrals in real time. Each referral is linked to a specific partner or affiliate, and you'll have all the details right at your fingertips. You can see how many clicks, signups, or sales a particular affiliate has brought in, and track their progress towards any goals or commissions they're working toward. Tracking referrals in PartnerStack also allows you to monitor conversion rates, which helps you identify the most effective partners. One important feature you want to pay attention to is the referral status filter. This tool allows you to categorize referrals as new, pending, or paid, giving you a better idea of where things stand at any given moment. This is especially helpful when you're managing multiple partners or want to prioritize certain activities. The ability to filter and sort by these statuses gives you better control over your program. Additionally, PartnerStack's real-time reporting makes it easy to dive deep into your data. You can generate reports for a specific date range and look at referral trends to see what's working and what isn't. It's an essential feature for optimizing your strategy, especially when you want to tweak things and scale your program. Another tip for beginners: make sure you're using the custom tracking links feature. This allows you to create unique links for each of your partners so you can track individual performance in even more detail. You'll be able to see exactly how well each partner is performing and determine whether you need to make adjustments to your affiliate strategy. Now, what's really great about PartnerStack is its integration with other platforms. If you're using tools like Stripe or PayPal, you can seamlessly sync your data to track payments and commissions without any manual work. This makes managing your referrals and payments a breeze. And here's a little tip: set up automated notifications to alert you when a referral has been successfully completed. This helps you stay on top of your program without needing to constantly monitor the dashboard. Before we wrap up, here's something you don't want to miss. By using the link below, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses that will help you get even more out of PartnerStack. It's the perfect way to test all these features without any risk. So, in summary, tracking referrals on PartnerStack is straightforward but powerful. With features like real-time tracking, custom referral links, and detailed reporting, you can easily monitor and optimize your partner program. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial with our exclusive bonuses. It's the perfect way to get started with PartnerStack today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive offer.